Ecash coin holders, welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time, I'm talking about Ecash coin. Absolutely, as you know now, a lot of coin becomes positive, but Ecash coin is still negative. So what's the reason behind it? And guys, when there is possibility that the price of XEC coin will become positive, so let's start the video and let's go ahead. At this time, guys, the currently price of Ecash coin XEC in the market is about 0.001894 USD dollar is the current price. Other side now 0.58% negative changes over on the Ecash coin. Oh my god, the change is completely going negative. Don't worry. Now I have good news for all of you, guys. As you can see here, if we talk the 24 hours trading volume of Ecash coin, so that's mean that 19.22% the trading volume is positive. So that's clear, guys, that now Ecash coin start pumping, guys, very soon. Possibilities from tomorrow Ecash coin price will become, now you can see the changes is in the cents, 0.58%. so very soon possibilities that in the last 5 to 10 minutes changes Ecash coin will become positive. Possibility that the price will pump. My prediction is 90% possibility possible that the price of Ecash coin will pump, guys. So just hold. I suggest for all of you that now it is the beginning of huge pump. It's time to hold. It's time to buy more and more XEC coin, guys. Absolutely, if you want profit, so you have to buy more. What's your opinion about XEC coin? Share in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe channel.